Hello there and welcome to another tutorial with Beads Jar. I'm Natalia and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful crystal and pearl passion earrings. So they are like little crystal flowers and they have an AB coating, these crystals, so they pick up all of the fiery, beautiful sort of rainbow colours, and you can use lots of different colours as the centerpiece for this pearl. So I'm going to take you through how to make these and let's see what ingredients you're going to need. So here are the ingredients you're going to need to make our crystal flower earrings. First of all, some 0.5 gauge wire, and I've got a metre length of that and I've cut it into two, so half a metre for each earring. And then we're going to be using some of these gorgeous faceted drop beads, and they are light green AB coating, but you'll see that they're picking up that beautiful fuchsia pink in the AB coating, which is going to look so good. And we have these acrylic pearl beads, and they are magenta purple and they are 8mm. So we've got 4 of those. By the way, there was 12 of those crystal drops. Then we've got some eye pins. So I'm using 2 eye pins. I'm also using 2 jump rings. Those are 5mm, and both of these are silver plated. We've got some silver plated fishhook earring wires. And then in terms of our tools, we've got wire flush cutters, and then we have chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and nylon jaw pliers, just in case your wire gets kinked. They're really handy to use. So let's get started making our earrings. Okay, so I've got half of my wire, and if needs be, see if you've got any kinks like that in your wire, you can just take your nylon jaw pliers and just run it along the wire, and it gives it a really nice smooth finish there, so you don't have any kinks in the wire. And we're going to thread all of 6 of these little faceted drops onto our wires. So those are going on there. And that's my 5th one, sorry, and my last one. Okay. So when you've got them all on there, what you want to do is take the ends of your wire and just pop them together to make sure that you've got the equal that the beads are right in the center of your wire. So then take your beads to the center, and then you're just going to bring the 2 wires together like that. And then you just want to give the wires a twist like that. Now, if you stop there, you'll see that all your beads are flaying around a little bit. So we're going to start using the wire to just keep them in place. So I'm going to take the wire and just take one end of the right hand wire. I'm going to take it directly across like that and underneath, and then take your other wire and I'm just going to take it over to my left hand side and underneath, and I'm going to take my other wire again. I'm just going to wrap it around like that. So we're just taking the wire and just creating almost like this zigzag effect with the wire, just to create strength. So it ends up being almost like a star shape in the center there. That's going to get covered up by your pearl. And once you've done that, you'll find that your little flower shape has a lot more strength, and it is a perfect flower there as well. So when you've done all of your wrapping, I'm just going to take that over one more time. Now I'm going to take the wires together at the back. I'm just going to take them up to the top of my flower shape there and just keep them out of the way for a second. All right. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of excess wire and I'm going to take one of my pink pearls, thread it onto the middle of the wire, just making the ends meet there, and pinch the wires together at the bottom and just twist one time, just keeping that in place. Then I'm going to take my wires, both of the ends of the wire, and take it through the middle of that section that I created. So this is the center of the piece here. Sometimes it's a little bit of a push to get it through. You might need to use a pair of pliers to get both of your wires through. I'm going to use my chain nose pliers just to pull that other wire up like that. And then make sure that you've got your pearl nice and central. And then what you'll see when you're wearing the earring is just the center of the flower, which has got your beautiful pearl, and then these little petal type shapes coming up around the outside like that. Now you've got your wires there, so you're just going to twist it. These are the wires that are attached to your pearl. And then take all 4 wires up together to the top. Get hold of your round nose pliers. And then I'm going to take those wires around here, so it's just around virtually at the top of those faceted crystals. I'm going to turn the wire to a right angle and then just flip your wires over the top. I'm going to pull that slightly out, turn my pliers around, and then just wrap the excess wire a couple more times around the base of the loop. Then I'm going to take my flush cutter pliers and very carefully chop off those 4 wires and use my chain nose pliers just to press those wires in. If they're sticking out, you don't want them to be jutting out in any way. And then I'm going to push my wire back up. I also want to turn that around so I've got the loop facing outwards like that. Reposition your pearl and then you have your finished flower bead. Next thing we're going to do is to take one of the eye pins and one of the magenta coloured pearls. So I'm going to pop the eye pin through the centre of the pearl. I want to bend my eye pin to a right angle using my round nose pliers. Just take that back over there and just do another wire wrap loop around it to finish it off like that. Just make sure that my loop is straight, and then I'm going to cut off the excess wire there. And again, just tidy up after yourself, so if you've got any excess wire then just press it inwards. Use your round nose pliers to straighten up the loop. And then I'm bringing in one of my jump rings and one of my earring wires. So using my round nose pliers, I'm going to just open the loop at the base of that pearl. I'm just going to pop it through there like that. I only need my chain nose pliers here just for opening and closing that loop. So close it up securely so that all of that fits in place like that. And then I'm going to take my jump ring. The reason why I use a jump ring to connect the top of that to my earring wire is it just it hangs better. It sort of has a better way of dangling from the ear. So I've placed my open jump ring into the loop at the top of the pearl, and then I'm going to just pop my earring wire through that open jump ring and then just close it up using my round nose pliers and my chain nose pliers. And there we have our beautiful little pearl flower earring completed. And all you need to do is just to follow that process again to complete your second flower earring, and you have a complete pair. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you'll join us again and subscribe to our channel, because we have lots of tutorials past and future for you to watch. Have a look in the show more section, see the links there to all of the components that I've used and the thousands of products that we offer too. So take care and see you real soon.